Hello guys, I'm back with another recipe. Today I am just making a simple peanut sauce. It's perfect for your satay or your gado-gado. So to start with, we have about 2 cups of boiling hot water. We also have some crunchy peanut butter, or you could use creamy peanut butter. And we also need hoisin sauce and of course a bowl just to mix everything together. There you go guys, so let's start making our peanut sauce. Okay, so here in a bowl I put about 2 heaping tablespoons of our crunchy peanut butter. I'm also gonna add about 2 tablespoons as well of the hoisin sauce. So let's just add about a cup of the boiling hot water first. And then we are just gonna slowly mix them well together. I like a thicker consistency for my peanut sauce. If you find the mixture still not thick, you could add a little more peanut butter, but you have to taste this as you go. I think 1 cup of water is enough for about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. So we'll just continue mixing until it forms into a smooth consistency. So here you go guys. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong smooth and creamy yung consistency ng ating peanut sauce. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video on how to make peanut sauce.